I really could see fast food chains going out of business. And here's why. One, it's coming to daylight how much shit, garbage, bullshit is in their food.
Yeah, people are getting wise to that. Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
Like a burger and fries is, 3,000 calories? Fucking idiots. Fix it. Like that
should be illegal.
Welcome to another episode of Kosmo Unfiltered. Today we are talking about chicken pot pies with my boy Wes. You wasn't around for this recipe because I filmed it at the lake house, but dude, you missed out.
Security won't let me in at the lake house.
Well,
the guard always stops me.
There's no guard. Well, there is guards, but it's you're running through about 6 miles of, abandoned trailer houses and
sounds beautiful.
It is where we are.
I think where y'all get out there, yeah.
It is where we are.
It's that way out there though.
But
here's
the deal where we're at. If you're back there, you better be back there for a reason because it's a whole it has its own law back there.
I believe it.
And there's no squealing for the police either. You ain't making it out of there.
I think any police that show up probably wouldn't be much help out there.
It would be an hour to 2 hours before they showed up anyway.
Jeez.
It's kind of like the res in Montana.
Whoa. Is that from Yellowstone?
Yeah.
I still haven't watched that.
And I don't even know what.
Listen, I got small children in my house.
I don't give a shit. I
got time to do the dishes and wash clothes.
You haven't watched Tombstone. You haven't watched.
I saw that it was at the top of the banner yesterday. I almost sent you a picture.
You haven't
when I
watched,
just breezed right by it. Peaky Blinders.
You haven't watched that one.
I've tried to watch that one.
It does get a little slow on season 2.
Dude.
It does.
And there's 18 seasons of that show.
I thought there was only 6.
I don't know. It feels like an eternity.
I'm on the last season. You haven't watched Young Guns?
I don't even know what that is.
Jesus Christ. I understand why you're...
I still remember when we showed you Hot Rod.
And I've watched it probably 10 times.
And you quoted it with no mercy for years.
I just watched it the other day, too.
It's time. It's a classic.
Yeah, but so are these other ones. You just got to... but these are more for, when you're just, feeling a little rebellious and you're like,
Yeah, okay, yeah. That hasn't happened in a long time.
But these are also historical shows, like, it's our past. It's where we grew up.
Oh, okay. Like Tombstone?
Yeah.
Like old Out on the Range, Kid Kosmo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, pretty much.
I still got my chaps.
Oh, God. You can keep them.
Poor man's chicken pot pie. Have you even seen the footage yet?
I haven't.
Yeah, because I filmed this one. This was at the lake, and Drew hasn't got to it yet. But let me tell you what. I don't want to quote that. So you use
using a pie crust?
No, I use biscuits.
Oh,
I will read you the recipe.
Did you do them by hand this time, or did you use canned?
Canned, 100%.
Yeah. We've had a vendetta against handmade biscuits for a while.
Well, if you're not hand making biscuits with butter or lard, like, what are you really doing?
Well, we messed up. We put them in chicken and dumplings.
Yeah, that was so here's the recipe. Two cups of diced up rotisserie chicken. I leave the skin on if you want to. 1 cup of chopped bacon, 2 cans of Campbell's Chunky chicken pot pie soup.
Chicken pot pie soup.
I didn't even know that was a thing. I saw this recipe on TikTok. 2 cans of Grand's flaky biscuits. Then I Dirty Bird SPG and an egg wash stuff.
Yeah. But
you mix all that up. You can put cheese in there or whatever you want, Dump it in a 9x12 baking dish.
Okay. Yeah.
Take the biscuits, the 2 cans, and you quarter them. And then you just pluck them on top.
Oh, whoa. So they just kind of plump up on top?
Yeah. And then I brushed them with egg wash, put them in the oven for, hold on. It was at $3.50. It's
madness.
It's not very long. 9 by 13. It's a 9 by
Dang.
13 pan. Let's see if I wrote the time. Yeah, about 30 minutes. And it depends on your oven. The oven we have got them done about, I think I ran a little bit long, but I didn't turn on the convection part till the end of it.
Get the top brown.
Oh, man, dude.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you right now, like,
Dude, Dirty Bird on top of stuff like that ain't bad.
I was shocked.
I've done Dirty Bird on top of cornbread before. It's pretty good.
I can see that.
That's good. Yep.
Or SPG.
Haven't done that yet. Most of the stuff, people here think cornbread needs to be sweet. I disagree.
I don't like.
Dirty Bird kind of offsets that sweetness. It's like a cake, is all that is. It's cake.
Well,
I'm from Lakeland. You can't change my mind on that.
No, I'm kind of with you there. I'm not a. You
can't get sweet cornbread in the South.
Well, like if you want to put honey on it when it's warm or something,
well, yeah,
like I get that.
In it though, ooh.
But that's the same thing. Like when in the hell did we start putting so much sugar in bread? You know how many calories are in like two regular slices of bread?
That's unreal. Yeah.
There's as much sugar, almost as much sugar in 2 slices of bread as there is in a 16-ounce Coke.
That's insane.
What the f*** happened there?
It's a conspiracy.
I hope they bleep that out. But I'm like, what the, And I remember when they did it to pizza too.
Yeah, sugary pizza's like,
it's gross. You go to these pizza places, there's so much sugar in the sauce and in the dough. It's like, does anybody taste this?
Yeah.
Like, is this? Now, the other side of that is I don't like acidic sauce.
No, I can't either. It just messes my stomach.
Yeah. But you know how to get that out of there?
No.
Put a carrot in there.
A carrot in the sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Like cut it up or just like?
Well, you can cut it in quarters or halves or whatever.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. You got that here.
Learn something new every day.
But that chicken pot pie, dude, I'm telling you right now.
Do you use the whole biscuits or do you like half them?
I quartered them.
Oh, just like in little chunks, huh?
From the top down.
Oh, okay.
Like you're cutting a piece of pizza.
Yeah.
And then just stuff them in there.
They're the flaky dudes?
Yeah.
Dang.
Dude, it was good, dude.
That does sound good. Did you put it on the bottom?
No.
See, now that would be an idea. Probably hard to get them
done. Just be soggy.
That's true.
It's going to take longer.
That's true.
I mean, I guess you could do that, but
I just remember we used to get those frozen, the Marie Callender's ones. You ever had those? The chicken pot pies? It's like a little one.
Oh, yeah, that take like 6 days to cook.
Dude, they were quick.
And then they take like another 2 days to cool down.
Oh, yeah, it's like nuclear hot. No, dude, the crust on the bottom was always real good. I liked that.
Yeah. I'll tell you the best one, and I don't think it has crust on the bottom, but it like, once again, there's like 6,000 calories in it, is the KFC one. When they have
dude.
them.
That's simple.
Yeah.
I got my wisdom teeth out after high school, and the first meal back was KFC.
Oh, man.
And it was like the best food you've ever had. It was like, this is incredible.
I'll be honest with you. I haven't ate out at a fast food place. I don't even know when the last time is. If I could quit drinking beer, I'd probably be about 120 pounds.
Be an Olympian.
I don't know about that.
What's like your road trip? We don't have options. Go to fast food place.
If I have to eat fast food, I'll go to Taco Bell. And here's the reason why. Taco Bell is one of the few places that use 100% real meat.
They do.
And they cook it on site.
Yeah.
Granted, it's in a bag,
Sure.
But you can eat Taco Bell and get pretty full and stay under 600 calories.
Yeah. My brother's a vegan. He eats Taco Bell.
What?
They have like a whole vegan menu.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
They used to. It was called like Fresca.
Yeah, but there's chicken in like the Fresca tacos and stuff.
Well, it was like an alternative. Like there's stuff vegans can eat there. He's very devout about it. And
Yeah.
He does it. He does
Really?
it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's something.
Huh.
Yeah, I think, see, to me, like if I'm out, I could do Taco Bell or like Panera almost to me feels like fast food sometimes.
Panera 100% is. 100% is. And I bet you would be absolutely floored if you saw how much calories are in that.
Oh, yeah, it's unreal.
Or McAllister, same thing.
Yeah, so they're so similar.
Yeah. They're good, though.
Yeah. Oh, McAllister's is real good.
McAllister's is pretty damn good. Their chicken club.
Yeah, oof, that's a big old sandwich.
Well, usually, kind of getting to the age. Jesus Christ.
I can do Whataburger.
I haven't had Whataburger. I haven't had any. I haven't had a fast food burger in years.
That's what's wrong with you.
Now I'll eat a burger out of like Sid's in El Reno.
Well, yeah, I mean
But that's it.
Yeah.
That is the only burger I eat.
I'll do Tucker's. We do Tucker's a lot if you're from Oklahoma. Tucker's is good. They're just everywhere.
I don't know. I don't know where Tucker's is or.
You live out there in the boonies.
Yeah, they're not where I am.
No.
I'll tell you what is out there that isn't bad, but I haven't ate there in probably a year. Is it the Garage?
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah,
it's a smash burger.
No, or is it S&B? It's S&B.
S&B is hit or miss.
It is.
Some of them are good.
Yeah.
Some of them are meh. They used to have a coffee crusted burger that was pretty good.
The one in Mustang's pretty good.
Yeah. The ones in Oklahoma City are a little behind the curve, I think.
You know, I was thinking about this the other day. I really could see fast food chains going out of business. And here's why. One, it's coming to daylight how much shit, garbage,
oh yeah,
bullshit is in their food.
Yeah, people are getting wise to that. Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
It's like a burger and fries is, 3,000 calories. Idiots. Fix it. Like that.
Should be illegal.
It's not, and it's shock. I get it. We are a country of will, and don't get me wrong, it's good as shit. But like that's killing people.
Oh yeah,
and it's killing our kids. Look at all the little fat kids running around
that's
now.
wild. Yeah,
but it's not. It's from the sugar.
Yeah,
the sugar that we're putting in stuff now. And especially the kids going to like Starbucks and going, well, I got this and it doesn't have as much sugar.
yeah, dude. Even
and
like their regular coffee's got.
And I know you know this. You and I talk a lot about coffee, and we both like to drink coffee. But you can get a coffee from Starbucks that is what I don't know, 1,500 calories.
Oh yeah, because anything with like a flavor in it has like 4 pumps of that syrup in it at least. Plus, like the simple syrup they put in everything.
Yeah.
So that's like sugar on top of sugar.
Yeah, that's nuts. But to answer your question, yeah, I go to Taco Bell because you can eat there and not.
You can. I don't mind Taco Bell.
I don't mind it. Just kind of,
If I'm.
You got to kind of hover.
Yeah, you got to
kind of hover for a few.
Safe house.
Yeah.
You can't just.
You better be close to something.
Yeah. Close to something. So what's your go-to gas station when you need to go to the bathroom?
Let me give you a pro tip.
Pro tip.
If you live anywhere that Brahms is, that should be your safe house.
To go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Dude, Brahms is not. Ooh. Some of them are gross. The bathroom.
I don't know the ones you're going into.
We need to go on a field trip.
I could see. I mean, I'm not going to say you're wrong.
There's some downtown that are like, woo.
Oh, you talking downtown Oklahoma City?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just be glad you're not shitting on the sidewalk.
Dude, yeah, walking past somebody.
Yeah. But most of them
Brahms is good.
But here's why. They have bathrooms in the front. So you don't have to do the walk of shame like you do in McDonald's, like walk past everybody and then walk right back out and not buy nothing.
Yeah, get a McFlurry.
Yeah. I just need a cup of water. But, hey man, here in Oklahoma, are you really, redneck if you don't have a roll of toilet paper in your car?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe I ought to keep that. I got kids. I got wipes and diapers. I got all kinds of paraphernalia.
Yeah, you got something.
If I need it.
Yeah. If it's going down, it's going down.
Yeah.
But I don't know how.
Safe house and Taco Bell.
Me and you can get from chicken pot pie to. We can connect it to
emergency
anything.
Bathrooms.
Yeah, emergency bathrooms.
Well, we were talking about fast food and sugared fast food and bad food, quality of food. If you can make it yourself, it's always going to be better.
Yeah, 100%. But this is like the fastest chicken pot pie that actually tastes
I'd try it.
Good.
It sounds good.
And it's, like I said, it's good.
So seasoning. Did you season all your canned stuff in the bottom?
Yeah, I seasoned it.
And then you season the top with the egg wash.
Yeah, brush the top, and you can put like a little SPG or something on
Yeah,
there, a little dirty. But if you want to just crust it with a little bit of rub,
now you could do some wing dust too. That would even kick it up a notch. On top of the biscuits.
Yeah, like garlic parmesan or something.
Why not?
Yeah, you
When
could.
in Rome.
Yeah, you could.
In Rome. Garlic parmesan chicken pot pie.
Yeah,
I mean, you say poor man's chicken pot pie. I mean, it's sounding better than the alternative.
I'm gonna tell you right now, when you dump those 2 cans of soup in there, you go, there's no way this is gonna work.
Sure.
And if it does work, there's no way this is gonna be good.
And then it came together.
And it's pretty shocking.
Okay.
Pretty
I'll allow it. I'll allow it.
It is pretty good. And
that's all I have to say about that.
So far, this is, I don't know how many episodes we've talked about Taco Bell and shitting ourselves after we eat it. I don't know.
Hey, it's a cautionary tale, man. Somebody out there might be thinking, you know what I'm going to do today? I'm going to eat Taco Bell out here in the middle of nowhere. They may just need somebody standing in their way.
Could be.
We did the right thing.
Go shit in the Bronx.
Just keep it pulled up on maps if you need it.
Yeah. Well, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like what we're doing, share this with a friend. Leave us a comment down below if you've ever heard of the poor man's chicken pot pie. I just saw this recipe on TikTok and thought I had to make it. So we did. Leave us a comment. Catch you in the next episode. Peace.